Hello, I'm in a 2019 Dodge Journey, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your traction control. So from here, as long as you've got your vehicle powered up, we're going to look for this symbol. This is your traction control. To turn it off, click it once, and then turn it back on, click it again. And you'll know it's off. On the display here, you'll see this symbol where it's traction control's off. And then when you push it again, it turns back on. You typically want it on most of the time. Situations you might turn it off is, say, if you're towing something, or say you're in some really rough, loose, gravelly, icy, snowy road conditions. Sometimes you might turn it off as well. Say like if you're stuck in the mud, you might turn it off. That way your wheels aren't spinning a certain way. But I hope this is helpful. And also, if you're having issues with this not going away from that button push, hopefully it's something just like a fuse that needs replaced. But otherwise, you might have something in your suspension that needs addressed, that needs repaired. And then to check that, I'd probably take a code reader to the OBD2 port and see if there's maybe some codes that might help indicate what's going on. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.